bright green and spiderwebs on your nails? Let's go. For this look, I'm using Holo Taco's long-lasting base, Holo Taco's So Toxic, Maniology's B171 Straight Up Black, Maniology's B382 Smudge Free Top Coat, Holo Taco's Glossy Taco, Holo Taco's Matte Taco, and Maniology Stamping Plate M316. Using Holo Taco's long-lasting base, we start by applying a base coat. It's time to apply our base color. For this, I am using Holo Taco's So Toxic, which is a bright, dare I say, neon green that I absolutely adore. Since it is a very bright color, however, it will most certainly take at least 2 coats for full opacity, possibly 3, as was the case with this fake nail. On my actual hands, I only needed 3 coats on my thumbs. The rest of my fingers were good with 2 coats. Enjoying? Consider liking the video and subscribing for more. For the webs and spiders, I'm using Maniology Stamping Plate M316 with their stamping polish B171 Straight Up Black. Apply polish to the area of the image on the plate that you want to use, scrape off the excess, and lift with a clear jelly head stamper, then gently apply the stamped image to the nail. If you're doing this on your actual nails and not a fake nail, be sure to first apply some sort of barrier, such as liquid latex, to protect your skin from the stamping polish. To seal the design, I am now using Maniology's B382 Smudge Free Top Coat. Finally, I seal the entire manicure in with Holo Taco's Glossy Taco, a quick-dry top coat for maximum shine and long-lasting wear. Over the Glossy Top Coat, I am now using Holo Taco's Matte Taco to mattify the look and change the visual effect. It's important to note that this matte top coat doesn't seal a manicure like the glossy one, which is why I applied a glossy top coat first. Voila! Enjoy your manicure. Thanks for watching. How about another video?